Coming up in the next 2 weeks on Just Hands On TV. On Friday the 19th of January, we begin the first of an exciting 2-part workshop where Craig Joubert of Marbling for Fun shows Valerie how to create her own piece of fabric, large enough for her to use and turn into a cushion cover in part 2. Also on Friday the 19th, we see the first of a 2-part retrospective look at the Super Cambridge Textiles in Focus exhibition, where we meet Pauline Verinder, who not only organised this event and was the mentor and teacher for several of the gifted and talented groups who were exhibiting, but she also took time out to show us how to create skeleton leaves from thread. Then a week later, on the 26th of January, we start to share Anne Baxter's Navajo Blanket Quilt project with you. Part 1 is the centre medallion section called Thunder and Lightning, which Anne thinks of as a little bit of magic. Also on the 26th of January, we'll be bringing you a super new workshop from Paula Doyle called Penny Rugs, traditional and primitive looking quilts created from small scraps. This project will be hot from the editing suite, as we won't be filming it until the 18th of January, so keep an eye out for our Facebook Live video on Thursday the 18th for a sneaky preview. There are new videos released on Just Hands On TV every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.